This is exactly how they come?
Yep, it's exactly how they come.
And it's going on a 2013 Duramax?
No, this one's actually going on a 2009.
Dang. I heard they make some pretty good lifts, man.
Yeah, they do, man. I mean, it's amazing how close they are, though, to each other as far as rough country and Magoys. Whenever you actually have them side by side,
And the price difference is probably crazy.
it's insane.
Dang. I hear they make some good stuff, but the price is just out of this world.
Not gonna hate on anything.
Yeah.
Not gonna hate on either lift.
Yeah,
but
of course
I'm
not.
gonna give you just a real quick look at something that I've got going on. So this is, sorry it's dusty because it's been powder coated for a while, but this is for Bros Duramax. But this is a rough country block.
Mm-hmm.
This is a Magoys block. Of course, the Magoys you get boxed in block, you know that, so a lot stronger, whereas you get the centerpiece, but you get a square. There's no change in the pinion angle at all on it. So that's, that's staying factory, and all you're doing is just pushing your axle further down. So technically, you're just putting your U-joint in a sharper angle, whereas on a rough country, as you can actually see, it is angled.
That's true.
So it's changing the pinion angle to put the pinion angle further up, so your U-joints aren't much of a bind. So I mean, there's your little something. We don't have them anymore because they're sent off to get not gold zinc plated, getting chrome zinc plated, but we sent the U-bolts off to get chrome zinc plated. Crazy enough, on the Magoys lift, they're completely unfinished metal. No paint, no coating, no nothing, and they were already rusted.
Wow.
When we got them here. Rough country, theirs are actually painted, which of course I've stripped the paint off those and re-powder coated them the color that we're going with, but that, not talking crap about either lift. I mean, they're both good lifts. I've ridden in trucks with both lifts. They both ride phenomenal. It depends on where you want to spend your money. I mean,
that's true.
Just
like, I guess, with everything else.
Yeah, with everything else. Me, I'm cheap. So, me and bro, here's probably the biggest difference that I did notice between the lists. Now, keep in mind though, one is an 09 truck and one's an 11 truck. When Chevrolet went to 2011, they did change the suspension up a little bit, so there should be some differences. But that's a Magoys front knuckle right there. That's a rough country front knuckle. There's a substantial size difference. Now, I'm not a independent, suspension fabricator, so I mean I can do 4-link and all that stuff and have done that, and we built lifts that way, so I don't know the geometry with, front independent, so that that's fine. I don't know the difference, so just like I said, it's just you notice little different things and stuff is side by side.
That's true. Well, I don't know if I ever showed you guys all the colors that they do here at Iron 8 Coatings and Fab, but
hey, they can actually
little dusty bottles.
They can get an idea now of what
Oh yeah, so if you guys have entered our giveaway that's ending September 4th, the winner will be announced September 5th. Every keychain you purchase automatically enters you to win. So if you buy 2 keychains, you get 2 entries, and we will be drawing the winner on video. And once that person wins, they will be choosing whatever color they want to be powder coated by the guys over here. So
and if we'll go to the names so they'll know and everything.
That'll take probably forever.
You
know all the color names?
Oh yeah.
All right, run them down.
Okay, so right here, this is. I'm also gonna wipe them off to get a better idea. This is Octane Blue.
Okay.
Which is that color. This is Illusion Violet with a gloss top clear coat.
That actually looks really good.
This is Stone Bronze, which it's a flaky bronze, slight texture powder.
You have all these colors in stock?
I have all these colors in stock, plus about 20 others that I don't have bottles of.
Nice.
Of course, everybody would know that would obviously be neon pink. This is Crystal Gray. This is a color that is no longer available, but that right there is a crazy chameleon color. I don't know if you can really see
A little bit, yeah.
the color change of it.
Well, not that dusty. You can probably
Yeah,
get a good
true
idea.
that. This is illusion green, intense blue, lollipop red, disco rose over a white base coat. This is illusion purple, which is really close to illusion violet. With, if you can see, it's a little bit more purple than violet.
A little glossier too, it looks like.
Super mirror red, which is just a regular single stage red. Same thing with this. This is just a orange, super mirror orange.
Nice.
Of course, always got to have your matte blacks, you know. This is illusion violet with a flat clear coat on top, which is what Rose Lift is going.
It would
all
be,
that stuff is.
It's a crazy color, but it would be kind of cool to see that valve cover painted that color.
It would be.
With
So,
that and a black,
yeah.
with black lettering and that purple would look sick.
This is actually, they call this Barbie pink, but it's a little bit lighter shade of pink than neon pink. So
Yeah.
if any of y'all are into that pink, so I won't judge you. If you're a female and you want your valve cover ParoDoXz color, if you got a Cummins, that's awesome.
I think I got like 1.2% female viewers, so we'll probably not get that.
This is
What's up?
what's up?
What's up, man?
My little brother's dog. Hey girl, and she gets super excited when she's let off, as you can tell.
Yeah.
Hey girl, get down. Come on. But this is Harley wrinkle, which is just a fine black wrinkle. This is Illusion Blueberry with a matte clear coat on it.
Nice.
White, gloss white, gloss black. No, hold up. Let me see if this is gloss black or is this actually. Yes, that's gloss black.
Okay.
That color that looks like gloss black is actually a very, very dark blue. Neon yellow, of course, I mean, obvious. This is Pika blue, is what this color is.
That's actually a really nice color.
Yeah. It's a little bit different from your intense blue. When you get on side by side, the intense is a little bit darker. I don't know if you can really tell on camera.
I like the one on the left. You can tell. I like the one on the left.
Okay, Pika blue. A lot of people like this one a lot more. If anybody wants to go with the Sinister color, like they love Sinister Diesel blue, Pika blue is the closest thing that I can get to it, and that's what we do. Everybody who gets Sinister stuff, they're always like, "Hey man, I want the rest of my boost pipes and stuff done in this color blue to look like Sinister stuff." So
nice.
We get that a lot. Candy copper. That's actually what the wheels out there on Denny's truck is done. Well, I call it candy copper. It's actually transparent copper too.
When he says Denny, that's we call him. I say Skylar.
Skylar.
So they might be used to Skylar.
Okay, Skylar's truck.
Skylar's a 4th gen out there. You guys have seen his truck.
This is personally my favorite color that I love doing the wheels on all my vehicles. And I actually, on my 4th gen, my wheels used to be this color. Actually, I still have the wheels. I just don't have them on it anymore. Is chrome bronze, which love the color. Same, this is neon yellow, just like that, except for it has a matte clear coat on top, which gives it a real
That's really cool.
matte finish. I'm sorry they're dirty. I mean, I need to clean the shop up. And this
So
is
good.
Be
good for ATVs, Jeeps.
This is Black Ice Heavy Texture is what this color is called. Yes, that's what we got this color for. All the Jeep guys get this stuff. They get a bumper, set of Nerf bars, daggum set of rock sliders, anything this color, they're like, as soon as they walk in, they're like that. So we keep that stocked up pretty well. I usually keep about 10 pounds of it. Candy gold is what this is.
Nice.
Everybody knows your seafoam green. That's super popular color.
Oh yeah.
It was really popular about 2 years ago and everybody was getting it, so it's not as popular anymore. Illusion orange, which is a nice flake orange.
That looks really cool. You don't really have any colors that I could just never see me using.
I know, right?
You don't have any like BS colors that just don't even make any sense. All these colors are pretty
Well,
nice.
like I said, we've got probably 20, 30 more colors than this in stock. Shoot, no, I mean, honestly, I've probably got over 200 different colors in all honesty. But these are just the real cool common colors. You know, and whenever I say, you know, I've got like 4 or 5 different shades of white because of depending on some of the contracts we get for different parts. Some people want a matter white, some people want a real gloss white, some people want a white that's in between those two, some people want a white that's got a little bit more of a cream yellow to it. You know, you just never know, you just get what the customer wants. But I'm not gonna do 5 different things of white that are almost identical to each other whenever no one's really gonna get it. As far as white goes, everyone who gets suspension parts always just gets the super mirror white. And it's, like I said, it's dirty, it looks better when you clean them off.
Yeah.
Illusion Blueberry, which that's a blue color. As you can see, this one's actually got a flake in it, whereas those other blues don't. Which, like I said, that one right, well, this is Illusion Blueberry also, but that's got the flat. This has got the gloss clear. Same with that one right there on the end. That's Illusion Green with the clear, with the gloss clear, and this is the Illusion Green with the matte clear.
Okay.
And this color looks awesome in the sunlight because it's real hard right now to see, but you can tell there's a flake in it. But in the sunlight, you can really, really see the flake.
I believe you.
This is, golly, I need to clean these things all the time. This
Get a
is
personal cleaner.
This is your lollipop red, just like that, but it has your hammer tone base coat. So we did instead of doing a super chrome base coat, we did a hammer tone base coat, which you get that finish right there.
Okay.
Let's see, next color is going to be Illusion Crab Apple, which is a nice green. It looks almost like the Shocker yellow that everyone likes, except for this one is a little bit different process. This one has an Illusion base with a top clear, whereas your Shocker yellow is either a chrome or a metallic base with a translucent yellow, Shocker yellow.
Okay.
So we've got Shocker yellow, or we've got this. I don't have a Shocker yellow display right now. Actually, I handed it to a guy because he wanted to take it home and show his wife, and he never brought it back. But it is what it is. They're actually little Sprite bottles that we just strip and spray for samples. But they both look identical. So if either one, they're identical to each other. Just showed you that one. That's just the hammer tone base. This is the color that I said looks black, but when you look really, really close, it's actually a dark, dark blue. This is a beautiful color in the sunlight.
You can kind of pick it up.
This is something big like wheels, tow hooks, things like that need to be done in, because if it's suspension or under the hood, everybody thinks you just got black, and that's somebody thinks it'll be awesome to get all their stuff under their hood done in this color. When they get it and you look at it, unless you're just staring real close at it or the hood's up where sunlight's getting in and you can tell it's a blue, everybody's just like, well, awesome, you got all your stuff done black, There's nothing wrong with black. I mean, I know you did everything on the first in black.
Yeah, so. you talking crap.
This is the same thing as the red, except for it's got a blue. This has got Jamaican teal over the hammer tone base, which is this color. Which this is the color we did all of Bro's suspension on his Outlander and everything.
We still got to show him that Outlander.
We need to. Seen a couple of you guys ask about it in the comments and stuff, so we're getting there. We'll get you a video sometime.
We need more sunlight. We always run out of sunlight. We both work all day.
Exactly.
And we're losing sunlight, starting to get the daylight savings. So.
I know, right? But then this right here, this is BMW blue, and this actually, it's a top translucent color, and it's got a light flake base coat underneath it.
I think that's one of my favorites.
This one? Oh man, wheels look awesome done in this color.
I can see that.
Actually, I think there's a picture of a set of wheels we did on our Instagram page of this color, if I remember right. I've got a bunch of pictures I need to post on Instagram. I've just got to find the time to post them of all the stuff we've been doing lately.
Well, that is all the colors. If you guys win the 24 valve cover giveaway, that is the colors you will have to choose from and more. So if you guys have a color that you have in mind.
I don't have a sample of this. Actually, there is Illusion Red also, which looks a lot like the Candy Red, but it actually is a heavy metallic base.
Nice. I'm excited for somebody to win this thing.
I know,
I
man.
can't wait to call somebody.
I can't wait
and
to see what someone's going to come up with. That's
Exactly.
what's going to be cool, you know.
They're going to come up with the most random thing.
Yeah, don't.
Let me get yellow and pink.
Yeah. Come up with something cool. Don't disappoint us. Don't go.
Please.
Don't go. I want all of it matte black. I mean, come on. Really? I mean, make it cool.
If they wanted a matte black,
I mean, if they wanted a matte black, you know, we completely understand. But if you definitely want to throw a cool color in it, we're not opposed to that either.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm excited for somebody to win. So if you want to enter, every keychain you purchase enters you to win. I think this thing's going to be awesome. We're going to record them prepping it, coating it, and the results of what it looks like afterwards. So you guys will see the entire process. But that is going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you got something out of it. They got tons of colors. Make sure you guys hit them up. If you need anything powder coated, truck, ATVs, airplane, it doesn't matter. Suspension parts, wheels, tires, or not tires. But you guys get the point. But thank you for making it all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.